Today, we're diving deep into Vagaro, one of the most prominent names in salon, spa, and fitness management software. It's lauded for its comprehensive features, from online booking and client management to point-of-sale and marketing tools. But does it truly offer a free option? And if not, what are your alternatives? We'll explore Vagaro's pricing model, its trial offers, and what you actually get for your investment. We'll also touch upon what a free option could mean in this context and why it might not always be what it seems. So, let's get straight to the point. Does Vagaro have a free option? The straightforward answer is no. Vagaro does not offer a perpetual free plan. Unlike some other platforms that might have a very basic, perpetually free tier with limited functionality, Vagaro operates on a paid subscription model. However, and this is an important distinction, Vagaro does provide a free trial. This isn't a free version that you can use indefinitely, but rather a temporary period, typically 30 days, where you can explore the full suite of Vagaro's features without committing to a paid subscription. Think of it as a test drive. During this trial, you get access to pretty much everything Vagaro has to offer, allowing you to see if it's the right fit for your business before you open your wallet. This includes things like their robust appointment scheduling, online booking widget, automated notifications, customer tracking, basic marketing tools, and even their POS and credit card processing capabilities. You can try out setting up your calendar, importing client data, and even running reports. It's a comprehensive look at the system's capabilities. Now, why is this important? Because a free trial, while not a free option in the long term, is incredibly valuable. It allows you to, first, assess functionality. You can put Vagaro through its paces in a real-world scenario. Does the online booking work seamlessly for your clients? Is the calendar intuitive for your staff? Do the reports give you the insights you need? This hands-on experience is far more informative than simply reading a list of features. Second, evaluate ease of use. Every software has a learning curve. A free trial gives you the chance to see how quickly you and your team can adapt to Vagaro's interface. Is it user-friendly? Will it save you time or create more headaches? Third, determine value for money. By experiencing the full set of features during the trial, you can better judge whether the monthly subscription fee is a worthwhile investment for your specific business needs. You can quantify the potential time savings, the improved client experience, and the streamlined operations that Vagaro promises. So, while no free option might sound like a deal-breaker at first, the free trial mitigates that considerably. It empowers you to make an informed decision based on direct experience. After your 30-day free trial concludes, your Vagaro subscription will automatically begin, and you'll be billed monthly based on the plan you choose. Vagaro's pricing structure primarily scales with the number of users or bookable calendars you need. For example, it typically starts around $25 to $30 per month for a single user and increases incrementally with each additional staff member. It's worth noting that Vagaro's pricing can be subject to change, so always check their official website for the most up-to-date figures. Beyond the base subscription, Vagaro also offers various add-on features that come with additional costs. These can include things like a branded mobile app, a website builder, advanced text marketing, forms, an online shopping cart, and more. This is where it's crucial to understand your business's specific needs. While the base plan is quite comprehensive, if you require certain specialized functionalities, these add-ons can increase your monthly expenditure. For instance, if having your own branded app is a must for your salon, you'd factor in that extra monthly charge. It's also important to consider payment processing fees. Vagaro integrates payment processing, and while convenient, these transactions come with their own fees, which are separate from your monthly subscription. These rates typically vary depending on whether it's a card-present transaction, swiped, or a keyed-in/online transaction. Always look closely at these processing rates as they can significantly impact your overall cost, especially if you process a high volume of transactions. So, if Vagaro doesn't have a free option, what are some of the popular alternatives that do offer a free tier, or at least a very competitive entry point? One prominent example is Fresha. Fresha is widely known for offering a completely free plan for its core scheduling and booking features. They make their money primarily through payment processing fees, which are competitive. This makes Fresha a very attractive option for solo practitioners or small businesses with tight budgets who want to get started with online booking and client management without any upfront subscription costs. While their free plan is robust for booking, some of their more advanced marketing and reporting features might require an upgrade or have limitations compared to Vagaro's paid plans. Another option to consider is Square Appointments. Square also offers a free plan for individual users in a single location, making it a strong contender for independent professionals. Their free tier includes online booking, automated reminders, and access to Square's integrated POS system. As your business grows and you add more staff or require advanced features, Square then transitions to paid plans. The key takeaway here is that while free can be incredibly appealing, it's essential to understand what that free truly entails. Is it a genuinely free, albeit limited, version? Or is it a trial designed to convert you into a paying customer? In Vagaro's case, it's the latter. They offer a robust, feature-rich paid service, but they give you a generous window to try it all out for free. Ultimately, choosing the right management software for your business is a critical decision. It impacts your efficiency, your client experience, and your bottom line. While a free option might seem like the holy grail, the true value lies in finding a solution that provides the necessary features, is easy to use, offers reliable support, and fits within your budget. For some, a perpetually free, albeit limited, plan like Fresha or Square Appointments might be the ideal starting point. For others, the comprehensive feature set and integrated approach of a paid platform like Vagaro, even without a free tier, might be a more cost-effective and beneficial long-term solution, especially given their free trial. It's all about balancing features with cost and identifying what genuinely helps your business thrive. Do your homework, take advantage of free trials, and pick the platform that empowers you to focus on what you do best, serving your clients and growing your passion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.